Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open zero balance account in Bank of Baroda. First, open the App Store and search for the Bank of Baroda mobile app using link called as BOB World and download the official app. Once it's installed, open it and tap on the saving or open a saving account. Next, choose the option there for the zero balance saving account. This type of account doesn't require you to keep a minimum balance. Now you can enter your mobile number, then tap next. You will receive an OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP to verify your number. After that, you will need to enter your PAN card number and Aadhaar card. Make sure all the details are correct. The app will ask you to fill in your personal information such as name, date of birth, address, email. After that, you will get a video KYC process. During the step, you will show your face and your ID to the bank representative in the short video call. This is to confirm your identity. After that, you will set a login password and transaction PIN. Review all the information carefully, then tap submit. Once the application is approved, your zero balance account will be opened and your account number will be shown in the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.